UBCTS, Upper Bucks County Technical School.
Hi, my name is Mary Miller-Etwine, and I'm the teacher in the Animal Technology program. Students in this program are learning about small and large animals in preparation to secure careers in the animal care. There are several paths they can follow: research, veterinary science, or non-farm animal care and training. Many of our students already have jobs in the animal care field. They work in local vet clinics, kennels and groomers, stables, shelters, and pet supply stores. Their hours typically fall outside of school hours so they can stay in animal tech full-time. Once our students graduate, they have many options. Most choose to go on to further education, some in pursuit of a veterinary technician certification or a 4-year degree in one of the animal-related majors. The remaining graduates are typically employed at a job related to animal care. Students without post-secondary certification or college degree usually earn in the range of $9 to $15 an hour. Students who go on to earn a certification or degree would have the potential to earn $35,000 a year and up.